been up all night. Sorry. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning, and I've been up all night coughing. I didn't get any sleep at all. And I have a doctor's appointment today. 0 sleep makes for a very tired me. Even a little bit of sleep would have been nice, but hold on. Keeping pausing just for coughing is very annoying. Yeah, the coughing just is ridiculous tonight. I can definitely feel a lot of liquid just in and around my lungs. I mean, every time I breathe, I can feel that kind of that bubbly raspiness that you get when you have bronchitis. And I mean, I was given sorry, some type of antibiotic for it a couple months ago, but it went away for a couple weeks, then it came back. And it just got really bad tonight, so hold a second. Back again. That cleared a little bit, well, a handful of mucus from my throat area, yay. But the longest rest that I've gotten from coughing tonight has been maybe 20 minutes, a 20-minute stretch or so, and then I started coughing again, and it's quite exhausting. So anyhow, that's what's going on tonight, and hopefully we can get something figured out at my doctor's appointment. Maybe get another listen into my lungs. But have a great day, and I'll check in again tonight or tomorrow. Bye.